big serious water problem this period. This is what holding up the progress in Cedar Valley, stopping the asphalting. Then dig this hole overnight, then come back this morning and come see water at night. I tell about the water problem in Cedar Valley.
Jai Shenta represent for Michael Super Awesome Channel. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell. So the content then drop and you will get it first.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all doing great. And I hope you all doing well, you know the do, you know. So just do the do. Like, comment and share. And subscribe if you are new. And when you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell and just put it on all. So that when we drop a video, you are the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video them for. So viewers, just watch them out for me now, please, and thanks for doing so. I posted a video the other day showing you the beauty of Cedar Valley and where the progress in the work in reach almost for asphalting. Now this water problem now come develop. This thing that them big out here says a PRV pipe system. What this thing do? It cut the power of the water, because you cannot just run the water straight from Cedar Valley to Trinity, you know. You have to have something for cut the power of the water. You understand me? I say? So this they right along the road straight to whole of Trinity. If you look on the top of your screen, the left side of your screen there, that's it how it gonna make. That is how it gonna frame out, and cause them just dig that one. But this one in the left side of your screen and the top, yeah, that's one almost frame out. That is a different place that one they did. But me I show that one to make you have an understanding what it gonna look like. You understand me? I say? So that is what holding up the progress now in Cedar Valley for asphalting, because them cannot pass here, so they don't want to pass here, so because here so want to involve in the asphalting also. You understand me? I say? So me I telling about this water problem for how long, viewers and subscribers. This excavator now I try to go over there to try to see if it can help out by solving the situation to get rid of the water, because them dig the hole overnight and them come back in the morning, water full it. So me post a video and show about Cedar Valley with the water problem. That is a big problem in Cedar Valley, viewers and subscribers. And me ask the question, how long Cedar Valley road are going to last? Because there are lots of water problem. Water come from under earth, water come from outer rock, and all them something there. So Cedar Valley have a big problem. Cedar Valley have a big problem, and would I really love it to solve, honestly. If not, if it don't solve, Cedar Valley Road not gonna last long, viewers. And see it now, it been holding up the progress. Yes, it hold up the progress right now. My Cedar Valley Road don't start as well as yet. Continue watch the video and take a look. Bless up to each and every one. Manners and respect. So viewers, that piece of pipe that you see down in the hole, that is piece of pipe then put down there. If you try to see if it can help lead out the water fast enough. Because I just want to get it and get the casting over and done. Because this place I got casting, this is a PRV pipe system. So what this do, this system that them build here, so, is a pressure pipe something. So if something wrong with the pipe and they need to fix it, it can turn off from here, so or the pressure low, it can build from here. So that's why they build them something along the road right to Trinity. Not like I don't know if every mile or every 3/4 or whatever. I don't know the distance that they put them. You understand me I say? So this is right before you reach Dr. Lampard, before you reach his school. That's where this is taking place right now. Serious water problem in Cedar Valley. Viewers and subscribers, family subs. So we say if everybody up, press the thumbs up, man, and show me sound up, Remember, if you are new to my channel and would like to subscribe, when you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell and put it for all, so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. I would like you to like up this video. Do not forget to leave a comment what you think about this water problem in Cedar Valley that's holding up the progress right now. Because they need to build this thing. This thing need to build, so when them build here, so then them can move along so the asphalt can pass. Say if you notice, viewers, that is a new white piece of pipe that down inside the wall here. Then put that down in there so it can move the water fast. So that's the reason why they put that white piece of pipe down in the thing that they dig out. You understand me, viewers and subscribers, family subs. And then again now, they have to go drill it. Drill some hole in it so that the water can move fast. So I tell them I try all different type of things to see if them can, you know. But the water, holding up the progress. So viewers and subscribers, sooner or later, you know, because the bulk of the work now is in Cedar Valley. They might try to get some asphalt done in Cedar Valley, but sooner or later, if this thing continue, they might go move back to Trinity-ville. I feel so. But should in case them do that, if you subscribe to the channel, you will see. But we just feel so them move back to Trinity-ville and continue with some asphalt in Trinity-ville. So viewers, as all you can see, water problem holding up the progress in Cedar Valley. But I know them gonna get over it somewhere somehow. But you will see, as long as you subscribe to the channel. So now that we've come to the end of another video, hope you all enjoy it. Leave your comment in the comment section, speak your mind there. So bless up to each and everyone that play their part by growing this challenge. So we say see you people in the next video. Safe travel on the gravel.